2013 Yukon Denali models exceed the high expectations of premium utility buyers with precision-engineered exterior styling, a spacious and luxurious interior, and the availability of many popular features. For added convenience, when loading and unloading cargo, there's a standard power liftgate. Operation is via easy-to-access buttons on the overhead console and by key fob. It can also be opened with a touchpad on the liftgate handle and automatically closed with a button located on the bottom edge of the liftgate. Denali provides excellent outward visibility for clear sightlines in all directions and includes features to minimize any potential blind spots. In addition, side blind zone alert is standard on all Denali models. Furthermore, Denali's side view mirrors include heat, power fold, power adjustments, driver's side auto dimming, curb tilt, ground illumination, and a memory function. For increased visibility for other drivers, integrated turn signal indicators illuminate when the turn signals are activated. When it comes to maneuvering in reverse, all Yukon Denali models include a standard rear vision camera that displays a video image of the area behind the vehicle on the navigation screen when backing up. Rear Park Assist is also standard on all Denali models. It uses sensors mounted in the rear bumper to alert drivers to nearby objects when backing up. Denali's interior exhibits premium craftsmanship and exceptional fit and finish, with tight gaps and flush-mounted components. Also featured are chrome and wood grain appearance accents and tone-on-tone ultra-soft nuance perforated leather. As for space, XL Denali features best-in-class comfort and roominess. There's plenty of head and leg room, and the instrument panel sits low and curves away to enhance interior spaciousness. Denali's comfortable standard leather-wrapped heated power tilt steering wheel includes mounted controls for audio and cruise control. Standard power adjustable pedals help drivers find an ideal driving position. A standard automatic tri-zone climate control system helps the driver and passengers fine-tune their temperature comfort. The system is able to maintain a 30-degree difference between the driver and front passenger. Rear seat passengers have a separate set of controls. To ensure maximum comfort, Denali's seats are firm and supportive. The standard front buckets are tone-on-tone, ultra-soft, nuanced perforated leather appointed with adjustable head restraints, 12-way power adjustability including power lumbar, heated and cooled seat cushions and seat backs, and 2-position driver's side memory. The standard second row seats are leather appointed reclining buckets with heated seat cushions. A 3-passenger 60/40 split bench with outboard heated seat cushions is available on Denali and XL Denali models. All second row seats on Denali and XL Denali are equipped with a standard industry-exclusive power release feature that allows the seats on each side to be automatically released, folded, and tumbled forward. The seats are easily returned to the upright position manually. For additional cargo space, each side of Denali's 3-passenger 50/50 split folding bench can be separately folded or easily removed. Maximum cargo capacity in Yukon Denali and Yukon Hybrid is 108.9 cubic feet, while Yukon XL Denali features 137.4 cubic feet of cargo room.